couple days ago, I showed you guys this giant bubble tent.
Oh my gosh.
This bubble tent was crazy, and you guys absolutely loved the video. So today I'm bringing you part 2. As awesome and as great as this bubble tent was, it was kind of lame because we only had a couch in it, and that was it. Like, honestly, what are you supposed to do inside? Stare at the wall, sit on the couch, play on your phone? It is time to give this bubble tent a makeover. Today we're doing a whole entire gaming setup inside the bubble tent. 27-inch monitor, wireless keyboard, a crazy gaming computer. We're gonna make this the ultimate bubble tent. But first, as always, before we do this, we need a plan, because I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, well, I kind of know what I'm doing, but like blueprint time. I am so excited for this. Do you see this? This is our blueprint. I had to duct tape it to the wall because every blueprint that I've done outside has flown away. So it's duct taped to the wall. It's not going anywhere. Here's what we got. We got the giant bubble tent right here. This is the entrance. We're not gonna put anything into the entrance because, well, it's the entrance. The main part of the bubble, we're gonna have the inflatable couch, and then we're gonna have a PC. The PC is going to be sitting on a stack of Legos as well. Then we're gonna have a wireless keyboard and such, and it's gonna be sick. Now subscribe or you don't get any cookies, so you guys better subscribe. If that subscribe button is red, and you haven't clicked it yet, you need to, because you're gonna miss out on a 24-hour challenge that I'm gonna do in this giant bubble tent. Yes, it's coming. I just need to prepare myself. I'm not ready for a 24-hour challenge. I just did one like a week ago. Click that subscribe button and let's set this up. Here's all the stuff right here. We got the monitor, we got the keyboard, the computer, we got all the Legos in this box, we got all the wires that we need, cables, whatever. We got the pump to inflate the inflatable couch right here. I feel like the easiest way to do this is to grab everything, put it all in the tent, and then inflate it, get inside, and set everything up. So that's what we're gonna do. Ready to go. We got all the stuff in right there. We got the front of it zipped up. All we need to do is blow this thing up. And let's kind of cross our fingers and hope nothing explodes. I don't know. Here goes nothing. This is gonna be awesome. Here it is, guys. Check this thing out. We got all our equipment and everything we need right in there. Well, we're pretty much ready. The bubble tent is just waiting on us to hop in, so let's go. We're also gonna have to bring this with us for power. Come on, buddy. Come on. Oh, flip, I almost tripped. All right, okay. Get ready for extreme wind in 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Oh, flip. Okay, I'm gonna set you guys down. Okay, we're inside and we're good. We're just waiting for it to inflate just a little bit more, but here is all our stuff. Couch, check. Legos, check. PC, check. Monitor, check. Keyboard, check. Mouse, of course, check. And all the wires and everything we need to power it all. Oh, and the pump to blow up this. Check. Let's go ahead and unzip the main compartment here and get inside. We are in, and my voice really echoes in here. It's great. Now, with everything great that's going on in today's video, we do have some bad news. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but right there's a hole in the bubble tent. I'm not really sure how that happened, but we have a hole in the tent. Now, it seems to be holding up, you know, still pretty well, so I think we're good, but I just hope it doesn't get any bigger. All right, so first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna inflate this couch, and then we're gonna build the stand for the monitor and the computer with all these Legos. Check this out, look at all these Legos. Oh, and also I have a pretty cool idea. Should I build a Lego house inside the bubble house? I saw some of you guys commenting that on the previous video. I thought it was a pretty cool idea. If I should, let me know in the comment section below. Type yes if I should do that. Got the couch all set up. Now, I'm not going to inflate these sides here, because last time when I inflated the sides of the couch, it made the couch a lot bigger. And the couch was so big that it didn't even fit on the ground. It actually kind of just floated a little bit, if you guys remember in the last video. I think it's best to just leave those, whoa, the whole bubble's moving. It's really windy outside. I think it's best just to leave those deflated. But now it's time to set up all the Legos right here, and then we're gonna have a sick gaming setup. Here's our Lego kind of coffee table, I guess you could say. We had the perfect amount of Legos to finish it. We used all the 4x2 Legos here. The only Legos that are left in the box are all of these like 1x1s, or 2x2s, I guess you could say. We're gonna put the monitor in here and probably put the PC maybe in front or on the side. I'm not really sure yet. This is turning out sick. We still have a ton of work to do setting up the computer, but let's do it. Ah! Okay, so I accidentally deflated the bubble tent a little bit. I was trying to get the box out and that doesn't sound good. Oh, and there's the hole right there. Look at that. I can fit my fingers through it. Come on, Pop, hurry and blow this thing up. This is sad. Well, now we're in like a mini bubble tent. Oh my gosh, guys. This thing is so sick. Check this out. I haven't plugged everything in yet, but look at this. This is so cool. You can have like 3, 4 of your friends here, and you got the monitor right here. You got the computer. Now, there's really not much room over here. That's why the walkway is going to kind of be over here. This is where you kind of exit the tent here. We still have all this room in the entryway as well, but I mean, this is just sick. I'm gonna go ahead and plug in all the wires and hopefully the PC will turn on and we'll be good. Oh my gosh, guys. Everything is plugged in. All right, well, moment of truth. Let's see if the computer turns on. Got everything plugged in here, ready to go. On switch. Are we good? Oh, I see lights. What about the monitor? All the lights are on. Moment of truth, moment of truth. Hello? Oh my gosh, no way. The monitor's on, it's kind of hard to see. Let me see real quick if I can turn up the brightness all the way. Turning up the brightness for you guys, there we go. Okay, hopefully you can see it better now. You can see the monitor, we can see the time right there. It's kind of hard to see just because it's really, really bright outside, but the monitor is on and it is working. Look at that, we're downloading Minecraft right now. I really thought I had Minecraft on this computer, but I guess I don't. And also great news, I'm very, very hungry right now, so I ordered some food. It's supposed to be here soon. Hopefully Kayla will bring it to me in my giant bubble. Guys, this is so, so sick. Now, this was supposed to be, you know, a wireless keyboard and mouse, but they're both plugged in right now because they're both dead. I'm sorry. Hey, look who's here to save the day. She's got the food. Oh, snap. Hello. What do you think?
You have a little hole.
I know, there's a hole right there. There's another hole over there, too.
It's not good.
All right, you ready to hop in?
Yes.
Guys, I'm gonna set down the camera real quick so I can zip this thing back up. Go, 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 go.
The whole thing is going up.
Okay, so we got Kayla in here. The bubble deflated just a little bit. It took me a while. This zipper is terrible.
It is terrible.
I don't know why, but it's so hard to zip up.
I guess you can't be in here if you're tall.
Yeah, well, once it fully blows up, I mean, it's almost done. But come in, check it out. What do you think?
Oh, it is a little loud in here, but
the pump has to stay on, otherwise the whole entire bubble completely deflates within like 3 minutes, which is kind of lame, but
this is nice.
I know, right? We got a PC here, we got food now, so it's all good, but...
Well, you have food.
Yeah, I have food. I ordered food for myself, not you, sorry.
I'll be hungry.
So, welcome to my bubble tent.
It's getting a lot louder. All right, so show me around. Tell me what is
Well, Minecraft is still down. Oh, failed error to download. That's great. We're getting kind of bad internet connection out here because we're outside, so.
But you know what we can do? Let me show you what we can do.
What can we do? Where are we going right now?
It's loading. It's loading.
The internet is so slow out here. Okay, next time we do like a video like this, I need to like bring like the router like outside.
It's pretty slow.
It's
pretty
super,
slow.
super slow. That is the only downside of this, but otherwise, I mean, it's great. We got food, we got a computer, we got a bubble tent, we got a couch. It's good. Oh, we on the block soars. Ooh!
This is my favorite game.
Oh, level 1.
We gotta start at level 1.
We're starting from the beginning here.
All right.
Stage 1. All right, what do we got here?
Stage 1.
Oh, I remember this game. Oh my gosh.
Oh!
Nailed it! I'm sorry, while you grind out this game for a little bit, I need to get my food. I want to see what I got. Oh, buddy! What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Oh, my mouth is watering. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful.
I'm concentrating super hard right now. Oh, it's so good.
Oh, you died. That's a burger right there.
So good.
Oh my gosh, the fries are amazing. I haven't eaten lunch today and it's like 4 o'clock, so I am like starving. Hey, there you go. On to stage 3.
Let's do this.
You're pretty good at this game.
Oh yeah, I told you, this was like my favorite game in school. Whenever the teacher was like, hey, we're doing an assignment, I was like,
Stage 4.
no way, I am a pro.
Oh my gosh, you're really just... Oh, what the heck was that?
I got too confident.
Here, I think you need another fry. I think
Yes.
that's what it is. Go, 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 go. Ah!
What?
The blocks disappear if you stay on them for too long. You don't remember that, you nub?
I just died again.
Go, 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 go. Yeah! There it is.
Oh yeah, I deserve a french fry for that.
Okay, but no more. The rest are mine. I'm sorry. We can order you another burger.
Okay.
You kind of how do you do that one?
I have no idea.
Jeez. Oh, there you go. Go, 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 go. Press that other thing right there.
Oh,
yeah, it
there
makes
we
it
go.
come back. There you go. Easy.
What? No.
You're stuck. You can't get it in the. Oh no.
I have to go back and I have to turn around and I have to resituate my block. No! I gotta go back.
There you go, there you go. That should be good.
What?
Oh, what?
Ow! Ow! Ah! I give up. You know what? I'm leaving. That's it.
You're out?
I'm out.
Okay.
I have pizza in the oven.
Wait, you're cooking pizza?
Yeah, I get a whole deep dish pizza all to myself.
I'm coming inside because this burger ain't gonna fill me up. But guys, that is pretty much the gaming setup in the bubble house. It kind of stinks that the internet is super slow down here. I literally can't even download Minecraft. If we were to get like a 150-foot like Ethernet cord, I could make it happen. Or I could just bring the router out here. But we still have plenty of games we can play on the internet. It's still a ton of fun. I'm sure Fortnite will probably load as well. What are you doing? Okay. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys have enjoyed. This has been absolutely incredible. Before you guys go, you have to click that subscribe button because if you don't, you're gonna miss out on all the crazy videos like this that we put on this channel. So definitely be sure to click that subscribe button. But wow, it's way more quieter in here.
Oh yeah.
See you tomorrow in a brand new video, or maybe the next day. Maybe tomorrow. Leave a like if I should upload a video tomorrow. Just look at this thing. This looks ridiculous. I mean, seriously, this is just crazy. We got a giant bubble tent with a full-on gaming setup and a couch in here. I mean, come on. Leave a like on this video if you and your friends want to hang out in this, because this is sick.